Good morning, everyone. Russ McCluskey, Edison Mortgage Group. I'm out here today with Luke Gross, who's the owner of Ona Home Builders and Donnelly Construction. And the reason we're out here today is Wednesday, November 22nd. It's the day before Thanksgiving. And we wanted to stop and make this little video for the Southwest Florida Cape Coral Realtors and let them know what we are actually thankful for. And that's our veterans who have either currently served or have served in the past and have a VA eligibility. At Edison Mortgage, we do a lot of VA loans. And believe it or not, we can do VA loans at 100% financing down to a 580 score. Well, teaming up with Donnelly Construction and Ona Home Builders, they've been nice enough to be able to build a home constructed from ground up on an approval from us of a VA loan with 100% financing. So if you're a veteran and you're eligible for a VA loan, get in touch with me at 239-633-4663, and all of our contact information will be at the bottom of this video. Get in touch with me so that we can get an application going and get you approved. Once we get you approved for your application, we'll collect your documents, we'll get everything in stone so that we know we have a hardcore approval that cannot fall through. At that time, I'll turn you back over to Luke so that you can get together and pick out the house that you'd like to build. You can give Luke your deposit in good faith. Once again, that deposit at the end of this transaction, when we're sitting at the closing table, will be returned to you 100%. So at the end of this video, get in touch with us with the contact information below. And I'd like to turn it over now to Luke Gross so he can tell you a little bit about Donnelly Construction and what homes they have to offer. Take it away, Luke.
Thank you, Russ. First of all, happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. And to all you veterans out there, really appreciate all that you do for us so we can enjoy our way of life. And we really appreciate that. I know I do, especially as I come from a military family. Russ does a lot of military loans, VA loans. So again, thank you for your service and thank you for all that you do for us here back home. So with respect to what Russ said, yes, we will build a house. You can use this VA loan that he just described, and I'll let him explain all the loan details because that's not really my business. But what we'll do is we'll work with you on building you any of our models as long as they fit within the guidelines of what you can afford and what fits your needs, and you can work out the details on the finance end with Russ. But we've got several models. We're actually standing in front of one of them right now. This is our Ardent model. This is a 1,450 square foot home. It's a three bedroom, 2 bath. One of our more popular homes simply because of its price point. It's very nice, got a lot of upgrades, and it fits well within a lot of affordability for a lot of people who are looking for homes here in Cape Coral. So basically, if you're interested in a new construction home, I'm not talking about something that's a couple years old. We're not talking about something that, you know, is back on the market from somebody else who's trying to buy it and they couldn't close or whatever the situation was. I'm talking about a brand new house that is designed for you at a price that makes sense with a loan program with Edison Mortgage and Russ McCluskey. So I encourage you to reach out to Russ. He'll work out all the loan details, and if we can come to some sort of possible program through Edison, then we'll definitely build you your home, and everybody wins, and everybody's happy. So let's see what we can do.
All right, thanks, Luke. And I just wanted to mention one more thing. I thank you very much for doing this because if we were to get a VA construction loan, number one, they're much harder to get than the end loan. And number two, they have a lot more fees that have to be incurred with that loan. So by Donnelly Construction and Ona Home Builders being nice enough to build the home on their dime, as long as you give them a security deposit, that we can get this loan done, and it's so much easier for you, so much less paperwork, and it's a lot more affordable, and you get the house built to your specifications rather than just buying a pre-built spec house.
Exactly. There's a lot of situations that go, and it's obviously beyond what we're able to explain in this video, but we do have means to build this home on our dime, as Russ put it, and there's various ways that we go about doing that. But when the house is done, you're just using a regular VA loan to close out and take possession of the home versus doing this construction loan, which is just a complete nightmare and time consuming, right? I mean,
correct. It takes a long time.
And
it's a lot of hoops you got to jump through. Also, don't forget, whatever the deposit is that you need to give in good faith for them to start building this home, at closing, because this is 100%, you will get that deposit back. So, Southwest Florida Realtors, get your VA clients, get them on the application, which is listed in this video. Get them to give me a call. What we got to do is get their documents, get them approved first, and then we'll turn them over to Luke so that they can go and look at the house that they'd like to build for that price point. So once again, thank you, Luke, for taking the time to do this video.
Thank you.
And thank you, everybody, for your service, and happy Thanksgiving tomorrow.
Thank you.